am Salihuddin Sakin and my role is 21071103. Here is my portfolio. So at first the intro section is shown, my name, one line about me, then the technologies I know, front-end, back-end, database language, and a link to my resume. Then skills section. In skills section there are the skills that I have learned already, and the percentage of my expertise is shown using that red border, we can say. Then project section, here are the projects shown. There are two links using buttons, GitHub and live demo. If I click on GitHub, it will redirect to the repository, and live demo shows that the live link of that project. Then photography section, there are some photos that I have taken. Then education section, it shows my degrees that I have earned already or I am pursuing now. Then contacts, here someone can message me. If we send a message, the message is sent. To check the message, I can click on check messages, or I can directly go to admin using the link. So I'll click on check messages, and here is the login page for admin. When I log in, it shows the admin dashboard. In admin dashboard there are two sections, one for messages and one for projects. For messages, there are two messages. One, the recent one is sent, second 10, and the message this test, so it works. Then I can edit the message if I want. Upon clicking edited, now the message is edited. Then I can also delete the message if I want. Then for projects table, it shows the thumbnail, title, technologies, live world developer, and created app, actions. I can modify it if I want. React and PHP, update project. The project is updated, and I can also delete it. Now to add a new project, I have to click on add new project, title, the thumbnail is selected, then live URL, I can enter anything, but it will show error most probably. So then I have to enter a valid URL. Yeah, the project is added. We can check from our project section. Yes, the project is added. And in admin dashboard there are three more buttons: the portfolio, change password, and logout. The change password works correctly. If I add random characters, it shows new passwords do not match, so I have to type matching password. The password is changed successfully. So if I try with the old password, if I try the wrong password, it does not give me the access. And then with the new password, yes, it works. So if we check the security, now when I am logged out, I cannot access the dashboard page. Obviously it redirects me to the login page, and upon when I am logged in, I can go to the admin section directly. So it is implemented using cookie and session. So let's check the cookie and session code. So on the login page, it is first checked if the session is set already. If it is set already using the admin key, then I am redirected to dashboard page directly, else I have to log in. When someone logs in, there are two variables, user and password. Then the username is checked if it exists in the database. If it exists, then the password is matched using password verify function. given by PHP. It hashes the password and then checks if the password match. If the password match, then cookie is set using admin key, and the time is current time to 3600 seconds later, which means 1 hour of session we get. Then the user is redirected to dashboard, and upon logout, the session cookie is set for current time minus 3600 seconds, that means 1 hour before. So when someone tries to go to the upon logout, when I try to go to the dashboard, it sees that I am the cookie is set for 1 hour before, then it does not let me enter and redirect to login.php. And on the main portfolio index page, there first header where the name lies, then main section, skills container, then projects container, photograph container, education, and contacts container. And the education container is implemented through JavaScript code directly. If you check index.js, here you can see we have a function append edu. It creates a new div which acts as a card. So the class name is set edu card. Here the title, major, institutes, and CGP are added. Then it is appended to the edu container. And one thing that in the portfolio, it is a single page portfolio, but I have tried to implement a route based experience. So when someone clicks on the link, it redirects. It feels like it is redirect, but it's all are in the same page. So to implement this, I have used the function where if someone click on contact links, it will get all the containers and set the display to none, and then the container it is clicked, it will be set to flex, so the container displays. And in contact space, the message, name and email are inserted into the database. And then add project section, where the project name, title, description, technology, library, are taken, and then a thumbnail is set. The thumbnail is stored in the data in the project's asset directory, asset/project. Then the link is then the name of the file thumbnail is saved in the database to fetch, and then it loads on the dashboard or the project space. And in dashboard, the messages and projects are faced on order, created at and in descending order, and they are shown. Then change password. And one thing that on every page the session is checked. If the session is valid, yes, you will be direct to login page. That's it. Thank you.